Oh, holy, look at that. It's bending that damn tree 6 foot. Oh my goodness. That is bad weather as I've ever seen. Here.